converting it to bytes in Python 3. I was trying to build this bytes object in Python 3, b3\r/n. So I tried the obvious for me and found a weird behavior. Apparently, I've been unable to see any pointers on why the bytes conversion works this way reading the documentation. However, I did find some surprise messages in this Python issue about adding format to bytes. See also Python 3 bytes formatting. This URL. This interacts even more poorly with oddities like bytes, int, returning zeros now. And it would be much more convenient for me if bytes, int, return the acidification of that int. But honestly, even an error would be better than this behavior. If I wanted this behavior, which I never have, I'd rather it be a class method invoked like bytes.zeros in dot. Can someone explain me where this behavior comes from?
From Python 3.2 you can use 2_bytes. Accordingly, x is equal to int_from_bytes, int_to_bytes, kiss smiley. Note that the above encoding works only for unsigned, non-negative integers. For signed integers, the bit length is a bit more tricky to calculate.
That's the way it was designed, and it makes sense because usually you would call bytes on an iterable instead of a single integer. The docs state this, as well as the docstring for bytes.
You can use the structs pack. The comma is the byte order, big Indian, and the I is the format character. So you can be specific if you want to do something else. This works the same on both Python 2 and Python 3. Note, the inverse operation, bytes to int, can be done with unpack.
Python 3.5 Plus introduces %interpolation, print-style formatting, for bytes. See PEP 0461, adding % formatting to bytes and byte array. On earlier versions, you could use str and .encode, ASCII, the result. Note, it is different from what int.to_bytes produces.
The documentation says the sequence. It is the character 3.51, the character \r13 and \n10. Therefore, the way would treat it as such, for example. Tested on Python 1.1.0 and Python 3.2.3.
Typical